Hi friends, today we will write an essay on dogs. Dogs are among the most beloved animals, known for their loyalty and affection. With countless breeds from tiny chihuahuas to large Great Danes, they come in all shapes and sizes, each with unique traits and suited to different roles and lifestyles. Intelligent and trainable dogs assist humans in various ways, such as guiding the visually impaired, aiding in search and rescue missions, or simply being loving pets. Their ability to sense emotions and provide comfort makes them invaluable companions. Beyond companionship, dogs contribute to physical and mental well-being. They encourage exercise through play and walk while reducing stress with their affectionate nature. Whether as protector, worker, or friends, dogs enrich human lives in countless ways. Please subscribe. Thank you.